everyone is supposed to feel like they're not strong enough to really do anything. So they did that. I have what is called a membrane sweep. You know, where they sweep the membranes on your cervix. That's supposed to help get labor started. I did that with my second, which went over 6 days as well, and I did go into labor like 2 days after I did it. So but actually I think I did it, I went into labor a couple days after. I think it was like 4 days after I had her. I went into labor earlier, but then I had her like 4 days, within 4 days. Yeah, so after they did the membrane sweep. So they weren't able to do the membrane sweep the last time because my cervix was too high. So no, they were able to do that today. So hopefully that get things going. And along with that, they gave me a long list of stuff to induce labor naturally. So they do induce labor, but not like with, you know, Pitocin or what they use in the hospital. I guess that would be the last resort. So what they do, they have some herbs that I'm supposed to take. They gave me some herbs to take, and also they told me to do nipple stimulation with the breast pump. So yeah, that's the way that you naturally induce. I've been reading up on it, but I'm like, that's gonna be the last resort. So they gave me a bunch of instructions that I'm supposed to use, and I'm here like I'm so tired. I'm just gonna go lay down. I don't want to do it. I'm hoping that the membrane sweep will do it like the last time. I'm so tired. You know, they say you're tired of being pregnant. Yeah, I'm literally exhausted, and I'm driving myself crazy, guys. Like, I would just sit down and I'll be looking out of space, and I'm like, why? But yeah, the due date is not set in stone. It's just a date that they base on your last menstrual period anyways. So it's not a surety of, say, yeah, you're gonna have baby by that time. Like I said, it's just my expectation that really, I think, set me up for failure, because I was expecting to deliver earlier. I really wanted to go like 39 weeks, you know, or even 40, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, that's what they do at a birth center when you're past due, and apparently they see it a lot. They have a lot of natural ways. They have you do, you know, they have exercises that you do. Like I did one here, the mile circuit. I did that. You know, for some people that sent them into labor. For me, it did give me some cramping and some contractions, but they did not last. Like I said, they just taper off. You know, they're like, go on walks, have sex, stuff like those. You know, they'll help you. Like for me, they will give me contractions, but then they go away. Like they don't last for very long. But let's see, guys. Let's see. Regardless, one way or another, the baby has to come out. I don't want an hospital induction. I've done that before, and I don't want that. So, but I honestly don't think it's gonna come to that. I don't think it's gonna come to that. With the membrane sweep, I think I should be good. But let's see what happens. Yes, guys, so that's what's going on. That's where we are right now. And I really didn't want to come by myself, but my husband has to stay with the kids. Yeah, my husband has to stay with the kids, and because, you know, with the whole virus situation, they can't go in. No, my husband can come with me, but I wouldn't be able to bring them. So yeah, that's what's going on. I really hope that things get going. Know that I have gotten the, you know, the membrane sweep. So yes, guys, it's go time. You know. So guys, yeah, they also gave me, I don't know if you guys know what's an enema. They usually surgery or something like that, so you flush your body. You know, they gave me that. Apparently that's gonna help to start contractions, but I honestly don't want to do that. That's disgusting. So I don't want to do that. Yeah, they gave me that. They gave me 2 herbs. Let me show you. They gave me these 2 herbs to take: blue kirsch, black kirsch. So yeah, they gave me these to take. So it's like a whole set of things that I have to do. I have to do the black kirsch and the blue kirsch at the same time while I'm doing the nipple stimulation with the breast pump. So basically I would just use the breast pump, and I would use the breast pump like if I'm pumping, and then along with that, and I think I would do it for 3 times for the day, guys. So it will be in the morning, the afternoon, and by dinner. And after I have dinner, then I will just go to sleep, and hopefully that will get contractions started. So I read that nipple stimulation, like a lot of people, like I've been looking a lot of on YouTube on natural ways how to induce labor, and a lot of people say that it works for them. But you know, like when I'm reading articles and stuff like that, they say that it gives you really strong contractions. Like they usually don't recommend it. Like doctors, you know, would not recommend it unless you're under the supervision of your, you know, your practitioner. So, but they say it works, you know, because it releases the hormones that you need to, you know, put you into labor. So I would love to go into labor without have to doing any of those, guys. I don't want to have to do any of that. So I'm gonna go home and see what happens, and you know, you guys will get updated on that. Yes, because we're gonna do a labor and delivery vlog. So yeah, yes guys, so thank you for tuning in. I'm very tired. I just want to lay down. Very tired. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. I'm almost home now. You know, so I'm gonna see you guys in our next video. Bye.